Hi, my name's Jessica and I'm an artist. Today we're going to work on fantasy art for beginners. So in most pieces of fantasy art, the first thing that you want to start with is the backdrop. There's always some kind of beautiful nature backdrop. Sometimes there's a full moon. We're going to do a nice big full moon and some clouds over the full moon. Just do some shapes and fill them in to give a cloud impression on top of the moon. And then the next thing is there's always a creature or a human. Usually they are a mythical creature of some kind. In our example, we're going to use a mermaid. So the mermaid is going to be sitting on a rock. So we're going to draw the rock first so that we know where she's going to be. So as you can see, I've already started to draw her face. Most mermaids, and especially fantasy mermaids, have really long hair that goes all the way down their body. We're going to do her neck and her shoulders. And she's going to just be sitting on this rock, just enjoying herself in the beautiful full moon. So she's got, of course, a very slight frame. She's a beautiful mermaid and she swims all the time, so she's in really good shape. And she's got this long, lovely hair. Maybe we'll put a flower, some kind of a sea flower in her hair. And mermaids don't usually wear clothes. They usually wear seashells on top of their chest. So we're just going to put some seashells up there. And maybe with her other arm, she is holding a lovely seashell mirror. Let's see, just a little mirror, and she's looking at how lovely she looks in the moonlight. There's some little seashells around it, around the mirror. You don't have to get too specific because this is just beginner art. Just keep it simple, small shapes to connotate what you want to imply. At the bottom of the tail, we need that fin so that we know she's a mermaid. And the fin comes up usually to about, it's almost like pants. So we're going to give her that bottom there and her belly button. And then the fin has these lovely little fish scales, I guess for lack of a better word, that go all the way down. They go all the way down to the tip of the fin, just like that. And we won't forget her face. We'll give her just some little eyes there, and a little nose, and a big smile. She's so happy. Of course, we want to put her into context, so we're just going to make some waves in the back so that we know she's near the ocean. And there we go. There's a mountain. Fantasy art for beginners.